In this video, I'll show you how to create SVG graphics with Claude AI. This is a quick way to generate scalable vector graphics that you can use for websites, logos, or designs. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create an SVG graphic. For example, I might type, "Create an SVG of a simple blue circle with a shadow." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate SVG code that I can use directly in my projects. If I want better results, I can include more details in my prompt, such as size, colors, shapes, or style. For example, I might type, "Create an SVG icon of a modern house with clean lines and a green color palette." Claude can also help customize the SVG by editing colors, adding elements, or adjusting dimensions. If needed, I can ask Claude to optimize the SVG code for performance or responsiveness. Once the SVG is ready, I can copy the code and paste it into my website or design tool to use the graphic. And that's it. I've successfully created SVG graphics with Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.